everybody, welcome back to my Project 13. Thanks for coming on by and checking out this XtremeSkin install and review. Appreciate your time and your support. Huge shout out XtremeSkins for giving me the opportunity to represent. They sent me 4 skins for my Google Pixel 9 Pro Fold. Now I'm obviously going to choose one that I'm going to install in today's video. Now all the information to purchase will be down below in the description area. In the packaging, which looks like this, XtremeSkins Precision Style Protection. You got the www.extremeskins.co.uk, which means that these skins are coming out of the UK, so you have to give them a good week for delivery. I would order on a Monday, so you're getting it by the weekend, because if you order close to the weekend, it's going to go into the next week.
You got that. Thank you for your order. You're awesome. How to apply our skins. You can scan the QR code. Now that you received your skin, apply it, snap it, share it. Problem with your order, please contact the team via email, info@extremeskins.co.uk, quoting your order. Well, looky there. Use the code FLYER20 and you will save 20% off your next order. You got some more information on the back and how you can follow XtremeSkins on social media.
But within that packaging, you do get a few alcohol prep wipes, which will only need one, and you'll have to provide your own microcloth and your own little grippy pad to keep your device in place. I have this little rubbery grippy pad, which is going to help, and I would suggest turning off your smartphone. That way you don't get any notifications and you're not bothered, because you really want to enjoy the process, take your time. You don't want to do this when you're busy and getting frustrated and ruining your skin. So I would do it in the evening time before bed. That way as far as for me, my phone will sit overnight and it just is going to be better for the sticking process. The blow dryer, this part of the video is very important. You don't have to use a blow dryer, but I suggest that you do. What you're doing is heating up the adhesive underneath the skin itself, so it will stick. It will adhere to whatever you're applying the skin to. You want to move the heat around constantly, never letting the heat sit in one area. You'll damage the skin, but more importantly, for me, I don't want to damage my 9 Pro Fold. So you want that heat to constantly be moving around, whether that's a circular motion, up and down. However you do it, there's no rules to that. I also will be using a case. This is the Fint case that I purchased over at Amazon for $10. And I got to tell you right now, folks, this case right here is my favorite clear case. Of all the cases that I reviewed, this is my go-to clear case here. You got the frame, the back part of the case, which has some TPU, hard plastic see-through back, hard plastic frame. You got these little TPU connectors up top and at the bottom that keep both pieces together. I don't know, it just works really, really well. A lot of lip protection, a lot of camera protection. It just feels great in hand with my Google Pixel 9 Pro Fold. So the purpose of a clear case, obviously, is to see the skin. Number 2, the biggest reason is that the back of the case on the inside, it's going to press up against the skin to help the adhering process, the sticking process. So I'll leave a link for this product down below in the description area. So with that, I'm going to go through and show you each skin, speed up the video a little bit, and then we'll begin the install process. Without further ado, let's do this. That right there is a huge thumbs up. I went with the Halloween scheme, the black carbon fiber skin, and the orange matte skin. All right, let's bring over my fin case. Give it a little wipe down. All right. My phone is back on. I will leave a link down below in the description area for the tempered glass screen protector as well. That looks sharp. That just looks sharp. Get a good look at the frame of the fin case surrounding the tempered glass screen protector. But that's not what we're really here to look at, right? We're here to look at that right there. Oh man, look at that. Come on, you gotta dig it. You gotta love it. And if you love your Google Pixel 9 Pro Fold, you gotta give it a little extra some, so skin it. Look at that. The skin actually protects the back of your Pixel 9 Pro Fold as well. So there's a lot going on here as far as protection, and yet at the same time, just having that little bit of extra love you're giving your Google Pixel 9 Pro Fold or whatever you're skinning. But yeah, I mean, that's going to catch some eyeballs. Yes, I'm loving it. I'm loving it. All right, all the products featured in this video, those links down below in the description area. The XtremeSkin website. Go shopping, folks. Give your piece of tech a little love, a little extra some. And with that, God bless you all. Thanks for watching. Really appreciate it. And any questions, please leave that down below in the comments section. Peace. I'm out.